another video today. This is a little, oh my God, freaking head. There we go. We got ourselves something a little new today. That is from Socal Billet. Nice little, this little crappy thing out of the way. Non-VGT turbo from Socal Billet. My boy Carter over at Rex Mechanical threw that in there for me. I know he's a little upset with me that I didn't get my charge pipes or the 5-inch no lipid fab. But hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna show you guys some sound clips of it. We also found out when we went to take the turbo out that there was a nice little nest living in there. So you can just see like a little bit. Yeah, so it's just their smaller one. It spools super fast. It's really nice. They sound really good even for a non-VGT. But yeah, overall, absolutely love it so far. Do need to get some tuning for it, but cleaned the truck up today for the video at least. She's looking real good. It is also 101 degrees today, but I'll set you guys up right there, and then you guys will have a nice little audio clip. So, picking up this video, I don't know where I left off, but pretty much I got the 364.5 SXE from Socal Billet, the non-VGT kit with the up pipes and all that stuff. Sorry, ADD brain looking at stupid shit on the side of the road. Was running around with stock tuning at the beginning of the video. I ended up getting some custom tunes from a guy here in the Bay Area. He's kind of known as like the 6.0 guy. That boosted built. I don't know, probably some of you guys that watch the video would know, but absolutely woke this truck up. The tuning literally made this truck so much fun to drive. But of course, I think my injectors are on their way out. So I'm probably looking at getting some new holders, premium injectors in there, probably do like 205 30s, or 250 30s. I don't know, some people are saying on the forums do 175 30s, some people are saying 205 or 250 30s, I don't remember. But that's probably gonna be the next thing, and I gotta do with lift pump and probably regulated fuel return, but yeah, the truck absolutely is a night and day difference now. Throttle response, tunability, like trans tuning, like the guy killed it. He absolutely did. I'll try to get some outside shots now. The truck does sound better now than in the previous videos, previous clips. But yeah, I'm super happy with the truck now. It's a lot of fun to drive. It's like a modern truck, but then the sound is just can't explain it. But overall, man, the sound of this thing is insane. It's something I always wanted to do, is do non-VT. And it's pretty clean. Yeah, if you put your foot in it, of course it'll be but it spools right away. Like it barely has any lead up time. It literally, I'm lost for words, to say the least. The tuning, everything, it's made this truck so much fun to drive, and the way it sounds, everything. If people ever ask me go non-VGT or buy like a bigger VGT, I'll always say buy non-VGT if you're not towing, because it makes the truck so much fun to drive. But yeah, I just picked up a bunch of stuff from Ace. I picked up a full front end rebuild kit from PMF, track bar, tie rods, and then I also bought a bunch of new stuff from Yukon to rebuild the front axle. So yeah, that's gonna be on today's project. I got a bunch of acetone and sanding paper and all that crap to get it all painted up and stuff, and it's all the heavy duty stuff, so it should be nice.
They put you in jail right away.